Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can customize your toolbar here at the top in Google Chrome really quickly. So let's get started now. As you can see, we're on the home screen of my Google Chrome web browser. So if you'd like to customize your toolbar here at the top, for example, add various extensions or shortcuts or icons to it, simply follow my instructions. Click on these three dots in the top right and select Settings from that drop-down menu. Inside your browser settings, head over to Appearance here on the left. And here on Appearance, simply select Customize your toolbar. Here to the right, click on that icon. That is going to open up that menu here to the right. So you can select various customization tools or navigation tools, like for example, enable your home button, the forward button, a new incognito window by switching it on or off here to the right. You may also reset your toolbar to the default or factory settings if you'd like to do that. For example, start all over. You may add also other shortcuts and tools to your toolbar, for example, your reading list, for instance, or various payment methods, bookmarks, your browsing history, the download section, the option to delete the browsing data, and so on and so forth, guys. So simply go through that list and enable the feature or the tool you would like to use. So let me, for example, enable the bookmarks bar. And as you can see here at the top, the bookmarks icon has appeared so that I may click on it and access my bookmark websites through that toolbar here at the top. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.